everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. With so many books to read, is it practically possible to read each and every book that exists? Well, the answer is no. Sometimes what you want essentially is a quick summary of all the text that you have in hand. Well, guess what? It is here that Hugging Face's Transformers library come into picture. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can use Hugging Face's transformer pipeline to extract summary from text. So without wasting any further time, let's kickstart the video. This what you see here is a small interface that I've created using Python and Streamlit. It contains 4 major sections, so let me go over all of them one by one. The first is the heading section wherein I've written summarize text. The second region is where you'll paste your article. And the third is the summarize button. Once you click this button, the summary will automatically be generated for the text that you've entered. The fourth region is the hyperparameter tuning region. Now let's start the activity by summarizing a small blog. Given that NVIDIA's GPU Technology Conference, that is GTC 2021, is just around the corner, let's pick up a very popular blog by Forbes. So this is essentially the entire blog. Let me catch hold of every piece of text in this blog and let me pass it through the web application that I've created. So I've copied each and every text that exists on this blog and I've pasted it into this section called as paste your article. Let me now go forward and press summarize. So as you can clearly see, the model has created a small 6-line summary of the entire blog. Let's go over the summary as well. So it says, NVIDIA has gathered the top names in AI for this year's GTC. The conference has been turned virtual. This year's speakers are mentioned. The top AI researchers will be presenting in GTC 2021 and so on and so forth. So the entire blog has been condensed to a 6-line summary. Isn't this amazing? Now, the uniqueness of the web application that I've created is not only can you summarize small blogs, but you can also summarize really big books. So I've chosen one book that is very close to my heart, which is The Present by Spencer Johnson. So I've kind of extracted every piece of text that exists in this book and I'll see the kind of summary that the web application is able to generate. So let me quickly paste the entire book in the article section. So this is how big the text is. Let's see how good a summary it extracts from this particular text. But before I press summarize, there is one thing that I wanted to share across with all of you. If you use the text summarization pipeline by Hugging Face as is, then it does a great job for small text. That is, you have small blogs. It will do a great job for such use cases. However, if you have sentences that are really long in your text, then essentially it will fail. I got a small error stating that token indices sequence length is longer than the specified maximum sequence length. This error populates when your actual sentence length is greater than the maximum sequence length that the model can take in. So there is some workaround that I've created in order to resolve this. And that is the beauty of the web application that I've created. So you can have really long text and you will still get a summary without any error. Let's jump back and look at the web application. This entire process will take a while depending on how fast your machine is. I am currently making use of GPUs to make an inference. So what you see here is a small summary of the entire book. So this may look really big, but just understand that this is an entire book that has been summarized in close to 1 or 2 pages at max. So I'm truly mesmerized by what all you can do using Hugging Face's Transformer library in order to summarize text. Just before I wrap up, I've included the code in the description section of the video. Feel free to utilize it, feel free to modify it, and feel free to play around with all your textbooks that you have in mind so that you can extract some amazing summaries out of this amazing library called as Hugging Face. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. That way you will get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. And lastly, if you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, leave a comment below and I'll add it to my list of videos to create. Alright then, that's all that I had for all of you today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you the next time around.